At Layam Group, we redefine workforce, process, and productivity solutions for industries that power the future. With over 17 years of expertise, 16,000 plus associates, and a turnover of over $87 million, Layam has become the trusted partner of more than 200 leading clients across India and beyond. We deliver value across three powerful pillars: people solutions, flexible staffing and recruitment across technical and non-technical roles. Contract manufacturing provides output-based production and non-core activity management services. IT and digital, dedicated offshore development centers. Our clients trust us to deliver measurable results. For a leading auto OEM, Layam was brought in to address high manpower costs and declining productivity. The challenge was clear: how to optimize workforce efficiency without compromising quality. Our solution: deploying an output-based staffing model, integrating lean practices, and enhancing workforce training. The result? A 30% improvement in efficiency achieved within just 6 months. Proof that with the right people, process, and productivity framework, Layam delivers measurable impact. In 2011, a Kuwait-based conglomerate wanted to establish an offshore development center in India. The challenge? Infrastructure, hiring, hardware, and compliance. Layam delivered a turnkey ODC, setting up everything end-to-end, so the client could focus only on productivity. The result: a fully managed, hassle-free development center and a long-term partnership built on trust. What makes Layam different? We focus on outcomes, not headcount. With our pan-India presence, output-based pricing models, and ESG commitment through Tarang CSR, we partner with clients for long-term growth. From people to process to productivity, Layam delivers. Let's shape the future together.